Hey everybody, welcome back to K60 Hotshot Adventures, and as you see, we're actually working on the 6.0 today. Got the injectors sent out to Holder Premium Injection in Sarasota, Florida. Jed down there is gonna flow test and see what my injectors need and for parts and repair. Today we are working on the blue spring kit. I noticed my fuel pressure was acting strange. With my fuel pressure gauge, when I'd be basically wide open throttle, I would see it dip down to pretty much 40. So I have a new Raycor fuel pump. I have yet put that in, but I took off my Sinister fuel plate because when I took it off, this is how the gasket looked inside. So I don't know what's going on, or if it was just bad quality, but yeah, this is what I found when I pulled it off. And then this little string of this was getting into the top. When you have this guy here, he sits in the top of it up there on the fuel bowl. And this was basically trying to go in there, so basically messing up the fuel flow and the pressure release or whatever this does. I'm not 100% sure. But yeah, so I'm pretty sure that was part of my fuel pressure problem. So I said, screw it. Went back to OEM. Got another housing. Got another nice new gasket. Because with these 6.0s, I still went with the blue spring part number. Went through and got this kit from XDP. Sometimes OEM is just better than pretty. So just my rant for the day. Thanks.